What is a computer network? A computer network links devices to enable the exchange of voice, data, and video. This forms a digital ecosystem where different types of devices, called nodes, can communicate with each other using various types of connection, called links. For example, nodes can be computers, smartphones, tablets, routers, printers, and many more. While links can be wired or wireless, such as Ethernet cables, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and many more. Let's trace the evolution of computer networks. In 1957, ARPA was formed for military tech development. In 1961, Leonard Kleinrock introduced the ARPANET concept, a precursor to the Internet, proposing packet switching. In 1969, ARPANET became operational, marking the Internet's birth. In 1971, Ray Tomlinson sent the first email, while AlohaNet pioneered wireless networking. In 1973, Robert Metcalfe created Ethernet, revolutionizing wired connections. Ginny Strasisar developed the first IP router in 1976. 1978 brought the standardization of the TCP/IP protocol suite, ensuring consistent communication. IPv4 was defined in 1981. The DNS system was introduced in 1983, simplifying web addresses. In 1988, network firewalls enhanced security. IPv6 was designed as the successor protocol for IPv4 in the mid-1990s. 1997 saw the establishment of 802.11 Wi-Fi standards, providing faster wireless speeds. Lastly, between 2002 and 2004, Web 2.0 transformed the Internet, emphasizing user-generated content and interactive experiences.
Next is type of computer network. First is LAN, stands for Local Area Networks. It is mainly used to connect personal devices within a few kilometers of a limited area. Second is MAN, stands for Metropolitan Area Networks, are used to connect devices over an entire city under the range of up to 50 kilometers. The third one is WAN, Wide Area Networks, are used in the wide geological range over a country and continent. The fourth one is PAN, Personal Area Networks. Personal area networks appropriate to personal or separate workspace under the range of 10 meters. These networks are mostly used in homes to connect tablets, smartphones, and laptops. The last one is CAN, Campus Area Networks, are used to connect limited geographic areas. So we move on to next one is network topology. There are 4 types of topology in a computer network. First is bus, second is ring, third is mesh, fourth is star. First, the bus topology. In the bus topology, each node is linked to one other node only. Second is ring topology. Each node is linked to 2 other nodes, forming a ring. The third one is mesh topology. Every node is connected to many other nodes. The last one is star. A central server node is linked to multiple client network devices. The next one is computer network application. First is resources sharing. It shares one hardware and software among multiple users. Second is information sharing. It shares information over the network and it provides search capabilities such as www. The next one is home application. Managing bank accounts, paying bills, and entertainment is types of the application for the home used. Next is business application. The purpose of resource sharing is that without moving to the physical location of the resource, all the data plans, and tools can be shared to any network users. So we're moving on to the last three applications of computer network. First is social media. It helps people to share and receive any information. The second one is communication, including emails, calls, message broadcasts, electronic funds transfer system. And the last one is entertainment industries. For example, video on demand, multi-person real-time games, movie, and TV.
Next, we will discuss about advantages and challenges of computer network. There are lots of advantages and challenges for a computer network. For advantages, we have a lot of advantages in terms of speed, cost, problem solving, resource sharing, access, and also security. For the first part is speed. Computer network has rapid file sharing and transfer that can eliminate the need for physical storage media. For cost saving, it also have lower software costs that can centralize upgrades on the server. Problem solving also become faster as it is taken care by all the associated gadgets and as issue can be settled in lesser time. For the next part is resource sharing. It can access to shared peripherals and resources and also access files and resources from different locations and enable collaboration among others. For the last one is security part. Computer network can prevent illegal copy and restrict unauthorized access. Despite all the advantages, computer network also has its own challenges in terms of cost, administrative time, server reliability, virus, and malware. For the first part is cost. Computer network has high initial setup costs, especially for professional technicians. Next, it also requires expertise and significant time for maintenance. Network interruption also often occur if the server fails. It can also affect all users' access to vital data and programs. Last but not least, computer network can lead to the spreading of viruses to another computer throughout the network. For the next slide, we are going to talk about computer network technology trend. First of all, cloud computing also one of the computer network technology trend. Cloud computing can offer scalability, flexibility, and accessibility that are transforming the landscape of computer networking. It enables organizations to streamline operations, enhance collaboration, and adapt to evolving technological advancements. Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services over the internet. So by having the cloud computing, we will have advanced security, which eliminates security risks in cloud environments. Next, we also have edge computing, which processes data closer to the source than in a data center. We can also have Internet of Things, which can connect devices and sensors to the cloud. Expansion of data storage capacity as well, which can meet the growing demand for data. Last but not least, we can have artificial intelligence, which enhance the performance and efficiency of cloud services. Next is high-speed internet. Advancements in technology have already led to significant improvements in data transfer speeds. For example, 10 GB internet speeds are expected to become more widely available in the coming years. This will enable faster and more efficient communication between devices, facilitating seamless connectivity and data exchange. Networking coverage is expected to expand as well, ensuring that more areas have access to high-speed internet. This will enable individuals from all backgrounds to benefit from the advantages of high-speed connectivity. Increased connectivity also one of the computer network technology trends. The Internet of Things (IoT) is expanding, resulting in a greater number of connected devices and increased demand for network connectivity. We can expect to see advancement in areas such as brain-computer interfaces, wearable devices, and biometric authentication. As we all know, on this day and age, there is invention of digital devices such as games that use virtual reality as their game concept. Other than that, Big companies also use digital physical fusion, include augmented reality, or most known as AR.
That's all from us. Thank you.